Welcome. I'm Mohammed. I'm from Ishik International School. My project is finding the area of a dodecagon. To find the area of a dodecagon, we should first imagine that this dodecagon is inscribed in a square. That means it's surrounded by a square. And then we turn it into 4 equal parts. And you only need one of the parts to get the result. We connect each of the vertices to the center. We do this for all of them, and then we get these 3 imaging isosceles triangles. And then we find the angles of each of the isosceles triangles, which will help us just realize how this shape is an isosceles triangle. And then out of the shape, we get an equilateral triangle. We know that the sides are equal and all the angles are equal as well. After we find these things, we're going to do some rearranging. We rearrange them together. We put the equilateral triangles at first on the sides. And then we get the isosceles triangles with them as well. At the end, we have 3 equal squares. Instead of having the dodecagon, which makes things a lot more harder, we have 3 squares, which is easier to find the area.